everyone and welcome to Gardening with Ben. Wow, it's an absolute gorgeous day today. We're currently in July at the moment, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sowing this month's seeds. So we're going to show you what seeds we're going to be sowing in July. So sit back, relax and enjoy today's episode. So in this episode we're going to sow some July seeds, as there's still plenty of time to sow seeds for this year and for next year's plants. So let's have a look what vegetables we're sowing first. So we're going to be sowing some beetroot, and that's bold tardy variety. All my seeds I get from Wilco, from the range, as I've always used them, and when they said that they were shutting the shop I was devastated, but then the range took all their branding and they brought all their seeds out. So yeah, first we're going to be planting beetroot bold tardy. We're also going to be planting some radishes, the French breakfast variety, one of the fastest growing vegetables, so hopefully they'll be ready pretty soon. We've also got some more beetroot, and that's the Detroit version. Again, 50p for beetroot. Wow, you can't beat prices like that. We're going to be planting some swede. We're going to give them a try. We're going to be planting some carrots. All these seeds say on the packet that you can plant them up to July, so I've checked all them before purchasing. We're going to plant some more iceberg lettuces. We've done fantastic with these this year. Absolutely amazing, they look fantastic. One of the best lettuces that I've had this year. We're also going to try some of this one. These are the frilly type looking ones, so we're going to give them a try as well. We're going to plant some spinach to make us big and strong, like Popeye. We've got some more radishes, a different variety. We're going to plant some turnips, try them out. We're going to plant some cauliflower. Now these are all year round varieties, so we're going to give them a try and see if we can get some collies growing. And then we're going to try these ones as well. Look at this variety. I don't know if anyone's tried them before, but we're going to give them a try. We're also going to plant some spring onions. Now I sow spring onions in clumps, as I'm told that they do better in clumps rather than planting in a line. So I'm going to plant them in small plant pots, and then when they're ready just take that clump and plant it straight outside, and that's how I'm growing my spring onion. We've also got a winter hardy variety, so that they can grow right up till November, so we're going to give them a try as well. We're also able to plant some more runner beans. You can plant these up to July, so we're going to plant a late crop. We've already got some that are producing runner beans on already, so we're going to try these ones and hopefully get a late crop. And you know how well I've done with my peas this year. My peas have been absolutely phenomenal. If you're following me on my Instagram, have a look at that Gardening with Ben and you'll see how well all my peas are doing. The variety that I grew before were early onward, but these are late cropping ones, and these are called Kelvin Wonder. So now let's see what flowers we're going to be planting. As you know, I do love growing flowers now down here on the allotment, and it's attracting all the bees and it looks absolutely beautiful. The smell is phenomenal down here. So we're going to plant some more flowers. So we're going to try some agastache. I can't say the word. But we're going to try some of these. I've never grown these before. They look quite new, hardy perennial, so they'll come back year after year, which is what we want. We want more perennials down here on my allotment. We're going to grow some honesty as well. Again, never tried these before. Look beautiful, so we're going to sow them now, and I don't think they'll flower this year, but we can sow them and they'll flower hopefully next year, and it says that they smell phenomenal as well. So if you've tried growing these, let me know in the comments. We've also got some poppies. We've done really well with some poppies this year. They look absolutely gorgeous. we've got purple ones down here at the moment, so we're going to save the heads for next year to sow all them ones. But these ones, yeah, we're going to sow these ones. Again, they probably won't flower this year, flower next year, and see what they look like next year down here. I'm going to try some foxgloves as well. I've never grown foxgloves, so we're going to give that a try. We're going to start them off this year and hopefully get some beautiful flowers on them next year. Now, I have grown pansies before, but we're going to grow some more this year and hopefully fill up one of my new flower beds, which we've done well in this year. And so we're going to sow some pansies and hopefully they will flower this year and we'll get some beautiful pansies on our allotment. I've also bought some sweet peas. It says on the packet that you can sow them up to October, and obviously they won't flower this year, they'll flower next year. But we're going to start these off a bit later, so we're not going to start these off this month. We'll probably start these off in September time, ready for next year. So we purchased some nice looking colourful sweet peas for next year. So that is all the stuff what you can plant in July. So do as I do, go to the shop like the Range or something, have a look at the packets, see which ones you can plant up to July and get them ones, as obviously they're the ones that you can grow up to now. So let's get sowing all them seeds. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a follow, give us a like and leave a comment below. So until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone. We'll see you next time.